Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update of what we've done the last couple of weeks. Something else we did this week, we started harvesting and cooking our carrots. The older ones planted the first week of October with the first rains around 10th October are already mature. So they've given us a good size from this side. So we are harvesting piecewise. That is harvesting what we are cooking, then the rest we leave it in the ground to continue growing and fattening. Don't pick the pumpkin, Mom, it's not ready. And the soil is also a very good storage method. As you can see, we harvested most of the maize, and the maize stalk was carried a week ago by a neighbor with livestock. So what remained is maize which had not fully matured, and so we've been harvesting it piecewise. Mom, stop stepping on my pineapple. Harvesting maize piecewise, picking selectively and leaving the rest. Then later on, when we are finished, I'll call him to come and pick the maize stalk. Something else we did, we harvested sweet potatoes from this bed, and then we replanted. Then I collected all the dry leaves of the sugarcane and covered to mulch because it's very hot, it's still the dry season. So we are watering, and you can see that there are shoots which are germinating. So they have picked very well and they are doing well. So we water every evening for them to weather the dry season. They are doing well. So yes, that is something else. So next will be this bed. So later on at the end of the week, we'll be harvesting from here. As you can see, we have very big tubers, and we need to harvest them before they get very old and they are eaten by worms. The worms come from the manure. So as you can see, we have tubers. This is a big tuber. This is a very big tuber. And there's another big tuber here. So at the end of the week, we'll come to this bed. This bed was planted back in around end of May. So it is ready. As you can see, with the big tubers, the leaves are yellow, and they had produced flowers which had died, so they had mature tubers. As you can see, this potato vine is purely purple. It's not the same as this one which is yellow. This one which is yellow, and which is green. This vine which is green and has tubers which have a yellow flesh is different from this. And this I also collected the same time around, and it has a tuber. So this I was given by a neighbor. So we cover up. I'll come for them end of the week and then replant the vines. I'll replant the vines because they'll give me more. They'll give me more fruits. So we continue watering our vegetables. The vegetables are watered every other 2 days, and once a week we do overhead irrigation. It helps to wash down any insects or aphids on the leaves naturally, and all the dust. So that's why they have picked. We had pruned the amaranth. So something I'm going to do end of the week is prune prune my comfrey, and all the leaves I'll cut them up and mulch for my vegetables. It will provide nitrogen for our vegetables. We have one pumpkin almost ready for harvesting. I'm going to wait for the stem to dry up and then we pick it. This morning I sprayed my orange tree because it has heavy attack of aphids. The aphids are the ones which reduce the tree's ability to produce big fruits. So we have fruits, but they are small. So this morning, in the wee hours of the morning, around 5 a.m. 6, I came to the farm and sprayed. We'll give it 1 week and then repeat the treatment because of aphids and white flies are many, because our farms are the only source of food in the area. It is dry. It's already dry. The mangoes are doing well and they continue ripening, but we are not picking them in a hurry, because especially this variety, if you pick them early, they are very sour even when they are ripe. So we wait for them to fully ripen on the trees, then we pick them. Otherwise, thank you. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe.